This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone. Now let us understand working on one interesting assignment. That is like on the screen we can able to see some data. This is one table where we can able to see some mobile phones or some appliances with some category. So under mobile category I can see 3 mobiles, and under laptop we can see 2 products, and under television category we can see 1 product. Now assignment here is like once we run the flow, this data we have to show it in some segregation format. So let us run the flow and check, and we can able to see by default some table showing up or some data showing up. And here whatever the categories we are having, so we are having mobiles as one category, laptops as one, and television. So how many categories we are having, so data should be segregated according to that. So now if I just click on this bigger arrow, all the categories should be expanded, and within that, based on its subcategory, we are supposed to get these items filtered. Under laptop category, I can see 2 items. Under laptop, we can see 2 items. And here these 2 products are available, right? So that is the reason we can see these two as tick marks. So we can see product name and its category and whether this is available or not. So generally to get the data from table to here, we as usual get like true or false in that way. But this is something more interesting. We have to show with some pictorial form. And that too here categories I'm seeing like 2. So I should be seeing that number also. That is one thing. And consider the second category, that is like mobiles. Under mobile category, we are seeing 3 products. All these 3 products should be showing up as it is. And out of these 3, only first 2 are available as per this table. So third one is not available, right? So that is the reason it is unchecked. Similarly, third one also. So how to expand everything and how to collapse and how to segregate the records based on category and how to show the total count, all these things we have to understand. So for instance, I'm trying to make some changes. So let me add a new record. So let me make this available, or let us include category something like washing machine. And this category may be something like LG. Okay, so we are adding one new product here and with new category. Okay, so let me add, or let me try to include one more thing under laptops category. Consider this as not available. Under laptops, I'm making it something like HP. I'm saving this. So now it has to show up with 4 categories: mobiles, laptop, television, and washing machine. And we have to show there without checkbox for this. Let us first run it and check. So we are supposed to get 4 categories now as per the table. And then we are making something like not available. Maybe HP laptop is not available. So their tick mark should not be there. So HP laptop should not be there. Mark checkbox should not be there. Okay, so how to get the data from table showing up here? So for this, how to get achieve it? So should we have to go with any kind of local actions or tables? It's up to you. So there will be multiple ways to achieve this, and each and everything is completely OOTB. You need not write anything extra customization. So please consider this as very good assignment, and you can just give it a try. Thank you everyone.